It's all about me, baby. Blood stains the area, the merrier the better. My own Beretta causing terror to your dome, crucial chrome. I move along with the cannon, with the reckless abandon to blow the brain. I know your name, know your fame, know your game, but I also know you're lame. Put the flame to your frame and fire live wire. Laser beams, my favorite dream. Faced alone against a million billion zombies right behind me. The cannon staring at my nightmares, cause right here is where the 40 cals expose phony styles, corny smiles in the death dance. Best chance for you to survive. Dude like your corner says and take the dive. 45 9s, 33 80s, my kind of ladies. Get them girls, secret squirrels, hide to sell, pot to sell, crack the move, clap the dudes, walk away and snatch your jewels and laugh at you. This is how we do it. See the movement, Mr. Moore. Get the door, invade the home, latest poem, serenade my favorite chrome. Poetry in motion, nickel plated lotion, 12 gauge shade butter, way under gray thunder. White lightning, black horizon, switching thousands in my hands. In my plans I might pay to get you murked to do it myself and get your feelings hurt, nailing dirt, flick on the hot beams, prisoner in my dreams, my screens, bound to gag, fucking fag, marry this, carry clips like for real, like Pharrell, hitting them hard like Mike Tyson, spitting in the yard, Chris and Gore, where the crown of thorns hit the horn, bloody dawn, ugly song, facial breakdown, so proactive, towards acne, laughy, acme, half-breeds have these shells pre-release, feed the beast, chupacabra, you a mobster, looking like a human lobster, time to grow, here's a snub, here's a slug, fucking with big worm, big perm, coming down your block, taking a big turn. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. My fiends crawl through cribs like rotten roaches during night dreams, pipe dreams. My team rocking diamonds with the nice gleam, nice gleam, nice gleam. Billy Bars.